MFASCO Health and Safety is proud to introduce Make a Kit, the only interactive tool that lets you create your own custom first aid kit, bleeding control kit, emergency response kit, biohazard and PPE kit, burn kit, or personal hygiene kit. We've got hundreds of different bags and boxes to hold your supplies and a huge selection of kit products. In a few simple steps, we'll help you build a kit that is perfect for your needs. Step 1. Sign in and register. This allows you to save your kit for future reordering. Step 2. Choose the type of kit you want to make. If you're making a first aid kit for the workplace, select an OSHA workplace kit type to comply with federal regulations. Step 3. Choose the approximate size of the kit that you want to make. This helps us to show the appropriate kit container and supplies so that you don't have to search through thousands of products. Step 4. Decide if you want to select the products or your container first. In this example, we'll select the container first. You can always change your container later. Scroll through the list of containers and hover over the one that you're interested in. You'll find more details like dimensions. Step 5. Choose the product categories that you might want to select products from. Hover over the question mark to see a description of the products included in that category. Step 6. You'll begin to add products to your kit. Notice the puzzle piece in the gray bar. Every time that you add an item to your kit, the kit capacity, price, and number of items will update. Hovering over this area will reveal the drop-down list where you can edit or remove items. All of the categories that you previously selected are listed to the left, and by clicking a category, you'll be able to view and select the items that you want to add to your kit. When finished adding items, click the green button that says Finished Adding Products. Step 7. You'll be asked a few more questions to complete your kit. Review your kit contents and make any changes. Once your kit is added to the shopping cart or saved to your reorder list, you can continue to shop, make another kit, or check out. Your kit is saved to your reorder list where you can come back later to either order a complete kit or individual items. We've also made a printable checklist for easy reordering. Thanks for visiting MFASCO Health and Safety and for using Make a Kit.